So this is the beginning of Unit 16, which is being able to explain fraction multiplication. ThinkUp is really big about you thinking about what you're learning. Our learning targets, again, are the same as last week. You can explain that when you multiply a number by a fraction equal to 1, the product is equivalent to the original number. So like if you do 3/4 times 1, the answer, here's an example, let's do this. 3/4 times 1, it's going to equal the original answer, correct? Okay. I can explain the concept that by multiplying a number by a fraction less than 1, it decreases the number. So if I have 1/2 times 1/2, it equals 1/4. Did I multiply a number by a fraction less than 1? Yes, my parts are getting smaller. Do you understand and can you explain this next part? I can explain the concept that multiplying a number by a fraction greater than 1 increases that original number. So now let's take, let's do 3/2, because you're doing all of it in 1/2 times 1/2, and that equals 4/4, which equals 1/2. Okay, so did that equal to greater? Yes. So this next part, it just wants you to think about the inquiry or your critical thinking trait of inquire. And this is what I said. It says in this unit you will explain fraction multiplication. What questions do you have about fraction multiplication or multiplying fractions? I said, is multiplying fractions similar to multiplying whole numbers? Why do I multiply the numerators and the denominators to get an answer to multiplying fractions? So we also reflect. Your answers don't have to be like mine. They can be whatever they work for you. So with reflect, it says I use effort and determination to focus on challenging tasks. When you reflect, you review your thoughts and actions. So, and then it says you reflect back, how do you evaluate your strategies? It says in this unit you will create reasonable estimates for multiplication problems, estimates. In mathematics, why is it important to review your estimate after solving a problem? Estimating lets me see if my answer is reasonable. All right, very nice.